Pawpaw farming is becoming increasingly popular nowadays due to their numerous health benefits. Being able to grow pawpaws is one thing, ensuring that they are entirely healthy and pest-free is another ballgame. Pawpaw trees can be vulnerable to various pests and diseases without proper care, leading to loss of yield or even the destruction of the harvest. This is where spraying pawpaws comes in. In this YouTube, we'll explore the intricacies of spraying pawpaws, from the types of sprays to the techniques of spraying. Spraying techniques. After identifying the spray needed for pawpaw farming, the next step is to spray effectively. Here are some spraying techniques to keep in mind. Location: spray pawpaws when the wind is calm to avoid drifts that may harm surrounding plants or pollinators. Coverage: ensure that you cover the pawpaw tree entirely, including under the leaves and fruit. Timing: consider spraying early or late afternoon when temperatures and humidity are favorable. Frequency: check the spray's duration and apply timely reapplications when necessary. Safety precautions. Pawpaw farmers need to prioritize safety precautions when it comes to spraying pawpaws. Here are some to consider. Follow the label instructions when mixing and spraying chemicals. Use protective gear, including eye goggles, respirators, and chemical-resistant gloves. Provide water bottles for workers to flush their eyes or hands if they accidentally get in contact with the spray. Rinse equipment used before the next use to avoid potential chemical reactions. Alternatives to chemical sprays. Some pawpaw farmers prefer to go for organic ways of controlling pests and diseases. Here are some alternatives to chemical sprays. Biological control agents. These consist of predators or parasites that feed on the pests that attack the pawpaw trees. Neem oil. This is an organic spray made from the neem tree, which possesses antifungal, anti-insect, and antibacterial properties. Compost tea. This is an organic spray made from compost and water that boosts the immunity of pawpaw trees. Conclusion. Spraying pawpaws can be overwhelming to novice farmers, however, with proper techniques, sprays, and safety precautions, it is easy to achieve. Remember to identify the right chemical spray for your pawpaw farm, employ proper spray methods, and implement safety precautions for you and the farm workers. It is also wise to evaluate alternatives to chemical sprays to promote sustainable agriculture and eco-friendliness. With these tips, spraying pawpaws should now be comfortable and effective for both new and seasoned farmers.